Hey guys, what are you up to?
Hey.
Watching LaLiLu.
Hello.
I've got a brand new idea for you.
What kind of idea?
Today, you're going to a ball. Pick your style cards.
Whoa! Let's run. I choose this one. Let's open it already. What is it? What is it? A golden diamond. So awesome.
Now it's our turn. Go ahead. Maybe this one?
A purple diamond.
Great. Baby, now it's your turn.
I'm not going anywhere. I don't have a date for the ball.
Ooh, well that's a problem.
Hey Lali, maybe you could go to the ball with baby?
I don't know. Okay, I'm in.
Yay! We're gonna rock this party. And you get the pink diamond. Let's start with your looks. Welcome to the workshop. Lali, you're up first. What about me? Buddy, just hang out here for now. Here's some juice. Wow, thanks. So Lali, do you have any ideas yet?
Ideas? Let me check my notebook. I've got tons of stuff in here.
Cool, show me.
Okay, let's see. Aha, found it. A makeover checklist. Here it is. A corset, a skirt, and shoes.
This look is going to be amazing. Shall we start with the shoes?
LaLiLu, seriously? Who even starts with shoes?
All right. Then the corset first. I'll need, yes, pink foam sheet. Cutting out the right shape. Perfect. Let's try it on. Looks great. Adding a sparkly belt.
Could we maybe add a few rhinestones?
Of course, I've got some pink gems. Decorating the top with them. Nice.
Oh yeah, that's exactly it.
Awesome. Let's mark the first step with a heart. The corset is ready. Now the shoes.
No!
Lali, what's wrong?
No shoes yet. That comes later. Skirt first, LaLiLu.
Okay. No need to stress. Wow, what's this? A giant surprise diamond. Let's peek inside. Whoa, it's a bath sponge. First, removing the loop. Now carefully cutting it and pulling it out. Nice, let's try it on. Almost done. It looks pretty, really cute, but I'd make it a bit fluffier. Gathering it.
LaLiLu, wait!
What is it?
You forgot the thread.
Oh, right, thanks.
You're welcome.
Now we gather it properly.
Yep, I'm watching everything.
And putting it on. Wow, look at that volume. Let's decorate the skirt with rhinestones. I love this design so much. There you go. Look how gorgeous you are.
Oh my God.
Yes, I feel like a princess. Marking the second step.
All right, only the shoes left.
Why do I even need new shoes? My sneakers are fine. I don't want to change them.
Okay, then let's just decorate them. Sparkly. Perfect shoes. Final step, done. Bonus, a new hairstyle. Oh my, our Lali is a true pink diamond.
Look at my beautiful dress. I feel like a star. This is so cool. Thank you, LaLiLu. I'm going to show baby. Baby Sasha, get up, I'm ready. Come on, wake up.
Leave me alone, I'm sleeping.
How do I wake him up? He just keeps sleeping.
I think this will do the trick.
Rise and shine!
Huh? Oh, what? Oh, what's going on?
Oh my God.
Look at my amazing dress.
I can't see anything. I'm blinded by your shine. So is the bun. Here are some glasses for you both.
So, what do you think?
Wow, it's so beautiful. You're definitely gonna be the queen of the ball in that. LaLiLu, I need a look too.
That's way too boring. Now this is more like it.
Tape and glitter? Lali, what are you doing?
LaLiLu, just watch. I'll show you everything. Tear off a piece of tape, cut it, lay it sticky side up, and cover it in glitter. Spread the glitter across the whole piece with a brush, and add some lighter glitter on top too. Seal it with another strip of tape. Make several pieces like this. Then stick them all together into one big sheet. Time for the pattern. Trace the templates onto the tape fabric and cut out the pieces with seam allowances. Now let's put the costume together. Baby Sasha, come here.
I have to go.
Where do you think you're going looking like that?
I'm not wearing that. Thanks for your help, Lolli.
Keep an eye on him. I'm off.
I'm coming with you. Absolutely not. We need to finish the costume. Stay right here. Lolli magic. Oh, much better. We tape one trouser leg together, then the other.
Oh, these actually look pretty cool. I like them.
LaLiLu, what should I do with this empty bag?
We'll need it. Pass it here. Now how to turn this into a shirt. Oh, I've got it. We cut off a piece, fold it in half, and cut out the openings. Let's try it on. Perfect. Now for the sleeves.
I look like a scarecrow.
We make a jacket, add lapels, and secure everything with tape. Now it's perfect.
I like it.
More sparkle.
Great idea, Lolli. We'll decorate the costume with gems and rhinestones.
Let me get a good look. Not bad. One gem here.
It's time for you to head to the ball.
Wanna dance?
Let's go.
Oh, what's that noise?
And wind, too.
Oh my gosh, are we actually going to the ball by helicopter? This is insane!
Let's go.
We need a look.
I'm going first.
No, I am.
I said it first.
I want to go first. Hey, Jinu, look what I've got for you.
Oh, a video game. Awesome. Yes, like that.
Thank you, LaLiLu. Oh, LaLiLu, look, envelopes. Which one should we open first?
This one.
Opening it, we've got tape in here. Perfect. We'll make a bodysuit from it. Raise your arms. We wrap Rumi in gold tape. Look how it shimmers. We add a shoulder strap and done.
Wow.
I love it. There's one more big envelope left. There must be something really exciting inside. Let's find out. We've got a gold sponge in here. That's it? What are we supposed to do with a sponge?
Hey, Roomie, what are you up to? I brought you some dress sketches. Pick whichever one you like most.
Wow, these are so beautiful. I want this one. But how are we gonna make that out of a sponge? I know a life hack. We need to cut off.
Is this what you're looking for?
Yes, thank you, Lolli.
High five.
Oh, Lolli.
Okay, I'm running. Bye.
Let's work on the dress. Cut off the side pieces. Remove the filling. We need the fabric. Fold it in half and cut it. Gather it and try it on Rumi. It looks amazing. Let's add some extra fullness. Gather the fabric from one side and attach it along the sides and back. Let's add more layers.
LaLiLu, but my sketch has a train. Fine, I'll fix that myself. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Gold heels will complete the look perfectly.
Roomie, you look absolutely gorgeous.
Wow.
Simply stunning. Thank you for your help, Lolli.
Anytime. We're best friends. Okay, I'm off.
Let's also add something to the hairstyle. Now it's absolutely perfect. What an incredible look for Rumi.
Yay.
Let me go show Jinu. Jinu, look at my dress.
Rumi, move. You're blocking my screen.
You can finish playing later.
But I'm in the middle of... Oh, wow. Psst, LaLiLu, I need a cool outfit too.
Of course, let's go.
Let's go!
Wow, everything is so sparkly.
Step in the room, they already know. Swagger like a comet, burning the flow. Can't stop me, no, can't stop me, no. Every step a spark in the night.
Jinu, this isn't a concert. It's just the material for your costume.
For real?
Cut off some gold tinsel and drape it like a kimono. Trim the length and tie it with a belt. A few final touches and it's done.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hold on. We still need a hat. Take a cardboard tube, cut it, and shape it into a cone. Trim the edges and draw the brim. Cut a circle along the outer edge and remove the center. Cover all the pieces and assemble our hat.
LaLiLu, I brought rhinestones.
Just in time. Let's decorate Jinu's hat with them. Perfect. Jinu, try it on. Done.
Now that is chic.
Okay, now you can sing.
I don't feel like it anymore.
Jinu, sit down. We're running late.
Let's go.
Yay, it's our turn. I'm first.
No, I am.
You're supposed to let ladies go first.
I want to go first.
Hey, stop. And first up is Lili. And in the meantime, we'll teach Rory some dance moves. Lili, come on in.
Wow, what a huge envelope. Let's open it quick. LaLiLu, hold to your side. Pull. Spoons? What am I supposed to do with spoons?
Let me show you a life hack. We'll need some glue and glitter. Dip each spoon first in glue, then in glitter, and let them dry. Cut off the handles.
Wow, look how they sparkle.
We arrange the petals into a long skirt. Looks fabulous.
Lou brought a package from Lolli. You sweet little thing, thank you.
We've got rhinestones in here. Let's decorate the top and skirt with them. What do you think about these shoes?
But they don't sparkle at all.
Dip the shoes in glue, then in glitter. Now they're the perfect match for Lily's look. Okay, you're all set.
Lily, wait!
Hey.
What about the accent piece? LaLiLu, look at the sketch carefully.
Oh, you're absolutely right. Great eye, Lolli.
Now it matches the sketch perfectly. Oh, wow! Go take a look at yourself in the mirror. Wow, chef's kiss.
Yippee!
Oh, I'm so dizzy. Psst, LaLiLu, Lily can't actually dance either.
We'll teach her right now.
Rory, I've got something for you.
Wow, thank you.
Oh wow, I love gifts. But it's empty.
Exactly, because we only need the wrapping paper. Let's make it a little bigger. We'll start with the trousers. Glue one trouser leg together, then the other. Trousers done.
That looks cool. I still need a top though.
We'll make that from paper too. Rory, hold down one edge.
Okay.
We trace the templates and cut out the jacket pieces. Try it on. We'll glue it together. The jacket is ready.
I love it.
Rory, you also need a bow tie.
Oh my.
Now that's more like it.
This look is everything. Oops, I think something ripped.
Oh my god.
What do I do? What do I do? What's so funny?
Don't stress, I know a life hack. There we go. Just be a little more careful from now on.
Awesome, thanks so much.
Rory, are you ready? Look what I learned. Can you do that?
Not anymore, I can only do this.
Oh no, we missed the car. Run! Oh, everyone looks so incredible.
Yay!
I'm kind of bored. Oh, I have an idea. LaLiLu, where's my DJ booth? Time to get this party started.
Can you do a break dance? Lily, let's go together.
Jinu, you're the best. Woo! Attention, attention. It's time to crown the king and queen of the ball. Who will it be?
Maybe us?
And the winners are Lali and baby Sasha. Congratulations.
Oh wow, I'm obsessed.
Yay, we won!
And also Lily and Rory.
Cool!
Yay!
And Rumi and Jinu. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it.
Woohoo! It slaps!
Which look did you like the most? Pink, gold, or purple? Write it in the comments. Bye-bye.
Thank you for being here with us.
Until next time.
Bye.